Sir, it is a very good initiative actually. For means if I was not a third year student, still means I was in my first year, I just entered my BTech. Then it's a very means ABCD course. Like no one will face any problem actually. Suppose you give it to fresher or anyone, so it will be very means cakewalk like thing. So everything has been explained very well in detailed fashion. So and you have provided PPTs, everything. So materials are there. So RoboRAM has also shown every real-time work that they have done. So it's very good. And the most fascinating thing was what RoboRAM added in that last part of the 16. I think the 15th and 16th video sessions were all regarding the smart IoT devices that have popped up in recent past. So that was very fascinating, and that will means encourage any fresher that why I should walk into IoT.